back to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening two different mystery dumpling paper squishy blind boxes. This one is worth only $1, and then this one is the ultra mega special rare dumpling, and we have a lot of options here, and this one is worth $100 allegedly. We're gonna see the difference between what $1 can get you versus what $100 can get you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching these paper squishy videos, unboxings, and tutorials, because I'll be posting a lot more coming soon. Now let's get started with opening these blind boxes. I think I'm definitely gonna leave the $100 blind box to the very end, so let's just start off with the $1 blind box. It's looking very simple, not really cute design going on. It has a mystery dumpling in the front, and it's just this light green color all around the box. And then, okay, I think here are the options that we can get. And it looks like most of these are common dumplings except this one. This is the purple glitter dumpling. Okay, I think this is gonna be super rare to get because the rest are common, so I don't know if we have a good chance. We have this yellow common dumpling, a pink common dumpling, a blue common dumpling, and then the purple glitter. Okay, this is the fun part, guys. Make your guesses down below in the comments on which squishy dumpling you think I'm going to get in this box. Here are all the options again. I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds to make your guesses. No cheating, guys. I want to see if y'all actually guess this. Obviously, I already know what's in here, so I'm not gonna make my guess because I made this. So let's see if we can guess from a little shake. You can't really hear anything. Now that all our guesses are in the comments, let's go ahead and finally open up our $1 mystery dumpling blind box. Okay, so okay, we have a bag inside of the box. There's this pink question mark. I don't know if that's a clue for what we're gonna get. Do you guys think it's a clue? Okay, let's just open it up and see what color we get. I think I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and we got oh, I dropped it. Okay, we got the blue dumpling. Look how cute, guys. Okay, first of all, I'm noticing it's a little stiff. She is not that squishy. Here are the cute little eyes, a little face. Nothing special going on with it, to be honest. And again, it is a little stiff. It's not that easy to squish. I did stuff this one with toilet paper to make it a little less squishy because, again, guys, remember, it's only $1, so it's not going to be the best squishy ever compared to the one we have later, which is $100. I'm going to pick a marker out here to check off the one we got. I'm gonna pick a blue because we got the blue one, and I'm just gonna check it off. Okay, we're done. Okay, we're done with blind box number 1. Now let's move on to the ultra rare blind box. Now for this box, you can definitely tell the difference. It has more color, more cuter designs, and it's just overall better to look at. I think this is so much cuter. It has this light pink color, and to the side we have the options that we can get. First option is a blue common. OMG, guys, what if we get a double? What if I get 2 blue commons in the same blind box? Okay, let's not say that. We have a pink ombre rare. Okay, I've never seen that. And then an ultra rare. It looks like this gold color with, again, some ombre but coming down from the bottom this time. And then the limited edition, it looks like it's this rainbow color, and it might be glittery, I don't know, but this limited edition looks really rare. But we do have some other cool options. Hopefully this one's like out of the picture. All right, guys, round 2. Make sure to make your guesses in the comments down below. I'll give y'all a couple seconds and see which one you think we're gonna get this time. If you got the first one wrong, this is your chance to redeem yourself and tap into your intuition on what you think we're gonna get. No cheating. Okay, guys, I think I gave y'all enough time, and let's get into opening. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, so it looks like this is some sort of different packaging. We actually have the original container that the OG squishy comes with. Even though this is a paper squishy blind box, it came way more accurate to the real life. It has this cute little handle, and I think once we open it, we're gonna finally get our big reveal. And after we open it, we can just keep it in this little container, so that's really nice. I think that's definitely better than the little blind bag we got in the other one. Time to reveal in 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Okay, I'm scared, guys. Oh my gosh, we got the rainbow glitter ultra rare dumpling. This one's actually super soft and squishy. You can definitely tell the difference between the two. This one's definitely stiffer, and then this one you can actually squish more, and they're pretty much the same size, but obviously this one is way more rare and more cute. And as you guys can see, it has a bunch of sparkles on it. This is how it looks from the top. It has a cute little face with some blush. The other one didn't have that as well. And then the bottom is also super cute with all the colors and glitters. Oh my gosh, guys, we got the ultra rare one. How lucky are we? But comment down below which one you like better, because even though this one was $100, that doesn't mean it's technically better. And let me know if you think this was actually worth $100, or if you'd rather spend $1 for this one. And the cool part is we can actually store her in the little dumpling container for when we're not using her, but that one is just gonna have to go in the box again, I guess. Stay tuned for the next video, because I actually made a tutorial on how to make this glitter dumpling, as well as a little case that comes with it. I did a full step-by-step video so you guys can learn how to make it if you're bored during your summer vacations or anytime you have a little free time. I think this would be also really fun to fidget trade with or make with your friends, and then make a whole little collection. I've seen a lot of people say that they make these for their friends, so I think this would be the perfect little gift for someone you love. Or you can scam them and give them the common paper squishy that is not that good, but I definitely think the glitter one is way cooler. OMG, and I almost forgot to check off the one we got for the limited edition box. So OMG, we got so lucky. A little check mark right here, and now we can see which ones we got. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna be checking those comments to see who got it right or who was a little close. Don't forget to check out the tutorial I'm posting after this video on how to make this ultra rare glitter dumpling and the little case. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!